Example 11. So you are given the vertices and the foci. You need to find the equation of the ellipse. So vertices enna? Plus or minus 13, 0. And my foci is plus or minus 5, 0. So we know that the value of C is 5. Your foci is C, 0 and minus C, 0. கொடுத்திருக்கிறது A வா B ஆன்னு எப்படி தெரியும்? You have C and minus C. You always have to remember that the foci are along the major axis. Major axis oda value என்னது? எப்பவுமே it is A. So you see that this is also along the x coordinate. This is also an x coordinate. This is also an x coordinate. So the given value is A. B கிடையாது. B na எப்படி இருந்திருக்கும்? It will be 0, plus or minus 13. Focus வந்து x coordinate la value இருக்குனா minor axis க்கு y coordinate la இருக்கும். Major axis க்கு தான் x coordinate la இருக்கும். So x coordinate. So the given coordinate is of the major axis. Okay? இப்படி தான் interpret பண்ணனும். So you have A equals 13. So your vertex becomes A, 0 and minus A, 0. So you need to find the equation. Equation எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க? You need the value of B. So I need A square minus B square equals C square. So I have 13 square minus B square equals 5 square. So B square என்ன ஆகும்? B square இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போனா I have 13 square minus 5 square, which is 13 minus 5 into 13 plus 5. A square minus B square. பெரிய நம்பரா இருந்தா this will be very very helpful. I'm also using this to solve for small numbers. 13 minus 5 is 8. 13 plus 5 is 18. What is 18 into 8? 8, 8, 64. 6, 8, 1, 6, 144. Okay, so B square is 144. What is my B? 12. So these are all Pythagorean triplet. Correct? 5, 13, 12. இதெல்லாம் Pythagorean triplet. Now I know the value of B. What does my equation look like? My A value is greater than B value and the A is along the x-axis. So how does your ellipse look like? It looks like this. So the A value is minus 13, 0 and 13, 0. B value வந்து 0, 12, 0, minus 12. So what are my foci? It is minus 5, 0 and 5, 0. You see this is the major axis. A value, C value, they lie along the same line. B matunda, it lies along the minor axis. Okay. So now what is the equation of such an ellipse? X-axis la irukku. So it is x square divided by A square plus y square divided by B square equals 1. So when I substitute the values, I have x square divided by 13 square plus y square divided by 12 square equals 1. So x square divided by 169 plus y square divided by 144 equals 1. Okay, so that is my equation. Okay, example 12. The length of the major axis is 20. So major axis na 2A is given to be 20 and the foci points are 0, plus or minus 5. You need to find the equation of the ellipse. So what do you have? A equals 10. So my major axis enadhu? Major axis can be along the x-axis or along the y-axis. But foci enga irukku? Y coordinate la irukku. Appo major axis enga irukano? The major axis should be along the y coordinate. Along y-axis. So my vertices will be 0, plus or minus A. Correct? Ena focus is 0, plus or minus C. Appo vertex eppadi irukum? 0, plus or minus A and B வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? Plus or minus B, 0. So what are my vertex? 0, plus or minus 10. B value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So what is my B? A square minus B square equals C square. B square is A square minus C square, which is 10 square minus 5 square, which is 100 minus 25, 75. So B square is 75. B equals root 75. Root 75 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 75 5 ஆல பண்ணா 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 3s are. So what do I have? 5 root 3. Okay. So B value வந்து 5 root 3. It is plus or minus. Okay. You have two values because it is on either side of the axis. So I have A value to be 10 and B to be 5 root 3. I see that A is greater than B and A is along the y-axis and B is along the x-axis. B coordinates are now plus or minus 5 root 3 comma 0. So my equation will be y-axis la a irukku. So it is y square divided by a square plus x square divided by b square equals 1. So it is y square divided by 10 square plus x square divided by 5 root 3 the whole square equals 1. So y square by 100 plus x square by b square and 75. 75 equals. Okay. Example 13. Find the equation of the ellipse with major axis along the x-axis. So major axis enga irukku? X-axis la irukku. So your coordinates will be plus or minus a comma 0, plus or minus c comma 0, 0 comma plus or minus b, because your major axis is along the x-axis. It is given in the question. So it is also given that it passes through the points 4 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 4. So along the x-axis na nartham a vandu x la irukku. So how does your ellipse look like? It looks like this. So this is minus a comma 0 and this is a comma 0. This is 0 comma b and this is 0 comma minus b. So how does your equation look like? X-axis la a irukku. So it is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equals 1. So it is given that this point and this point lies on the ellipse. Appo x ku y ku the value substitute pannalama. So I have 4 square divided by a square plus 3 square divided by b square equals 1. And what is my other equation? Other equation is minus 1 the whole square divided by a square plus 4 square divided by b square equals 1. So then I go 16 by a square plus 9 by b square equals 1, and this will become 1 by a square plus 16 by b square equals 1. So now in order to solve such equations, I am going to replace 1 by a square with some variable p in vechkalam, and 1 by b square is some variable q. So what does your equations become? 16p plus 9q equals 1, and this becomes p plus 16q equals 1. Okay va? Now I need to subtract the two equations or add the two equations. So I see my coefficient of p is 16. Here my coefficient of p is 1. So I multiply this whole equation by 16. So what will I get? I have 16p plus 9q equals 1. Ida multiply panna 16p plus 16 times 16 enna 256. 6 6 36 3 9 6 1 6 9 plus 6 256. So it is 256q equals idhe multiply pannu. So it is 60. So when I subtract, what do I have? This goes off. 256 minus 9 is minus 247q equals minus 15. So I have q equals 15 divided by 247. Now q value in the equation la substitute panna poren. So I'll have p plus 16 times 15 divided by 247 equals 1. So my p value will be 1 minus 240 divided by 247. So 247 minus 240 by 247. So it is 7 by 247. So if my value of q is 15 by 247, 1 by b square enna? So now b square is 1 by q, which is 247 divided by 15. My a square is 1 by p, which is 247 divided by 7. So what does my equation become? When I substitute the values of a square and b square, I'll have x square divided by 247 divided by 7 plus y square divided by 247 divided by 15 equals 1. So this, when I simplify, I have 7x square divided by 247 plus 15y square divided by 247 equals 1. 247 multiply panna 7x square plus 15y square equals 247. Okay.